Hello everyone, subject EVS, class 1, lesson 6, home, sweet home. Yes children, where do we live? Yes, we live in a house. House is a place where a family lives happily together. A house protects us from sun, wind and wild animals. A house has many rooms for different purpose. House has door, window, roof and walls. Different types of rooms. Living room, bedroom, kitchen room and bathroom. Yes children, get set, go. My home. Home, some houses are big, some houses are small, some houses are wide, some houses are tall. So many houses wherever I roam, but the very best one is my special home. Hello, I am Ravi. The place I like best is my house. It is my house. This is Ravi's house. I live here with my mummy, papa and our pet dog Chica. This is Ravi's pet dog Chica. My house protects me from the sun, the wind and the rain. It keeps me safe from wild animals. My house has many doors, windows. We enter our room through the main door. Windows let in sunlight and the fresh air. My house has a roof and walls. The roof covers the top of the house and walls covers in my house. Living room. We sit with our guests in the sitting room or living room. We can see TV, sofa and chair. Pardas. This is bedroom. We rest and sleep in the bedroom. We can see here bed, pillows and bed sheets. This is a bathroom. We wash and bath in the bathroom. This is a kitchen room. We cook food in the kitchen. I help mummy and papa to keep the house clean. Thank you everyone.